Welcome to our exploration on teaching English with Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences. This theory revolutionized our understanding of human capabilities by suggesting that intelligence is not a single entity, but a combination of various distinct types. Gardner initially proposed 7 intelligences: linguistic, logical, mathematical, spatial, bodily kinesthetic, musical, interpersonal, and intrapersonal. Each intelligence represents a different way of processing information and solving problems, highlighting the diversity of human potential. Linguistic intelligence involves sensitivity to spoken and written language. People with high linguistic intelligence excel in reading, writing, and storytelling, often becoming successful writers, poets, or public speakers. Logical mathematical intelligence is characterized by the ability to analyze problems logically and carry out mathematical operations. Individuals with this intelligence are adept at scientific thinking and often pursue careers in mathematics, engineering, or computer science. Spatial intelligence refers to the capacity to think in 3 dimensions. It involves skills such as mental imagery, spatial reasoning, and the ability to visualize with the mind's eye, crucial for architects, artists, and engineers. Bodily kinesthetic intelligence is the ability to use one's body effectively to solve problems or create products. Athletes, dancers, and surgeons often possess high levels of this intelligence, excelling in physical coordination and dexterity. Musical intelligence involves skill in the performance, composition, and appreciation of musical patterns. Individuals with this intelligence have a strong understanding of rhythm, pitch, and timbre, often becoming musicians or composers. Interpersonal intelligence is the capacity to understand and interact effectively with others. People with strong interpersonal intelligence are skilled at communication and empathy, making them excellent leaders, teachers, or counselors. Intrapersonal intelligence is the ability to understand oneself, including one's emotions, motivations, and inner states. This intelligence is crucial for self-reflection and personal growth, often seen in philosophers and psychologists. Gardner later added an 8th intelligence, naturalistic intelligence, which involves the ability to recognize and categorize plants, animals, and other aspects of nature. This intelligence is vital for biologists, conservationists, and environmentalists. In today's world, new intelligences have emerged, reflecting the changing landscape of human interaction and technology. Digital intelligence, for example, involves the ability to navigate and utilize digital environments effectively. Emotional intelligence, though not originally part of Gardner's theory, has gained recognition as a crucial skill. It involves the ability to perceive, control, and evaluate emotions, essential for personal and professional success. Collaborative intelligence is another emerging concept, emphasizing the ability to work effectively in teams. This intelligence is increasingly important in a globalized world where teamwork and cooperation are key to achieving goals. Cultural intelligence, or the ability to relate and work effectively across cultures, is vital in our interconnected world. It involves understanding cultural norms and adapting one's behavior accordingly, crucial for global business and diplomacy. Gardner's theory and the new intelligences highlight the complexity of human capabilities. They remind us that intelligence is multifaceted, encouraging us to recognize and nurture diverse talents in ourselves and others. Understanding multiple intelligences can transform education by promoting personalized learning. Let us summarize. In 1983, Howard Gardner, a developmental psychologist, identified 8 core intelligences in his theory of multiple intelligences, later expanding the framework to include a 9th. These intelligences reflect diverse ways in which individuals process information and demonstrate abilities. They are linguistic intelligence, ability to use language effectively, both in speaking and writing. Examples: writers, poets, journalists, public speakers. Logical mathematical intelligence, capacity for logical reasoning, problem solving, and understanding mathematical concepts. Examples: scientists, mathematicians, programmers. Musical intelligence, sensitivity to sounds, rhythms, tones, and music. Examples: composers, musicians, sound engineers. bodily kinesthetic intelligence. Proficiency in using one's body to solve problems or create products. Examples: athletes, dancers, surgeons. Spatial intelligence. Ability to visualize and manipulate objects and spaces mentally. Examples: architects, artists, graphic designers. Interpersonal intelligence. Skill in understanding and interacting effectively with others. Examples: teachers, counselors, social workers. Intrapersonal intelligence. Capacity for self-awareness and understanding one's own emotions, motivations, and goals. Examples: philosophers, writers, psychologists. Naturalistic intelligence. Ability to recognize, categorize, and draw upon patterns in nature. Examples: biologists, ecologists, farmers. Existential intelligence, later proposed. Sensitivity to deep questions about existence, life, and the universe. Examples: clergy, philosophers, theorists. New or emerging intelligences. While Gardner's list remains influential, new intelligences have been proposed in light of modern advancements and societal changes. Digital intelligence, DQ. Competence in using technology responsibly and effectively, including online communication and cybersecurity. Examples: digital marketers, software developers, content creators. Emotional intelligence, EQ. Ability to recognize, understand, and manage emotions, both in oneself and others. Examples: leaders, therapists, customer service professionals. Collaborative intelligence, CQ. Capacity for teamwork, including negotiation, collaboration, and group problem solving. Examples: project managers, team leaders, diplomats. Moral intelligence. Awareness of ethical and moral principles and the ability to apply them in decision-making. Examples: human rights advocates, ethical leaders. Entrepreneurial intelligence. Ability to identify opportunities, innovate, and take risks to create value. Examples: entrepreneurs, venture capitalists, innovators. Artificial intelligence literacy. Understanding and leveraging artificial intelligence technologies for problem-solving and innovation. Examples: AI researchers, data scientists, machine learning engineers. Cultural intelligence, CQ. Ability to interact effectively across different cultures and social settings. Examples: global leaders, intercultural trainers, international business professionals. Ecological intelligence. Understanding the interconnectedness of natural systems and applying sustainable practices. Examples: environmental scientists, sustainable designers, conservationists. Significance of expanding intelligences. As society evolves, so do the ways individuals demonstrate intelligence. Recognizing and fostering these intelligences, both traditional and emerging, allows for more inclusive education, workplace innovation, and personal growth. Teaching English with multiple intelligences involves tailoring instruction to address the diverse ways students learn and process information. Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences highlights that learners excel in different areas, such as linguistic, logical, mathematical, bodily kinesthetic, musical, spatial, interpersonal, intrapersonal, and naturalistic intelligences. By incorporating a variety of activities, such as storytelling for linguistic learners, role-playing for kinesthetic learners, music and rhythm for musical learners, or group discussions for interpersonal learners, teachers can engage students more effectively and create a dynamic, inclusive classroom environment. This approach not only enhances language acquisition, but also fosters creativity, collaboration, and critical thinking, ensuring that each student's unique strengths are recognized and utilized.